Hello students, this is Spider-Cruz. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to draw the Penrose triangle by hand. So, watch the video and watch me draw this Penrose triangle. So first you got to draw a large triangle, and then you're going to draw another triangle inside of that triangle. And this is really hard to see through this mask. I don't know how actual Spider-Man even fights crime wearing this thing. I guess that's why he's a superhero and I'm just Super-Cruz. But anyways, you continue drawing the triangles within the triangles, like you see me doing. And then you start making your lines darker on the corners of the triangle like you see there. So I'm going to start making my lines nice and bold in those specific lines. So make sure that you're pressing fairly firmly on your pencil in order to make those bold lines. Now just follow along with what I'm doing. Please pause the video and catch up if you need the time. And make sure you erase neatly. Don't worry about smudges for this one. The Penrose triangle will start to emerge as you go along with the video. So you see me drawing this line from that corner down to the next line where it almost intersects, but you don't keep going. So you kind of stop somewhere. And you just keep going from that corner and up. I honestly can't see right now, so I'm drawing this using my spider eyes, which are terrible as a human. And I'm gonna erase the lines that I don't need in order to start to see the Penrose triangle emerge out of my sketch here. So I'm just gonna continue adding the lines. And I actually think I might have made a mistake here. Yep, I did. So I'm just going to erase that little section and fix my mistake. And that's kind of why there's the erasers on pencils, to fix your mistakes. We all make mistakes. I think I saw that in a movie recently. Why are erasers on pencils? Because people make mistakes. So I'm going to continue erasing and adding lines, make sure they're nice and bold. And the Penrose triangle is pretty much done. But now, to make it really pop, we're going to start adding some shading. So we're going to do a gradient shading technique here, using the side of my pencil, going from darkest to lightest. And I'm just going to let you continue watching the video so that you can get an idea of what kind of shading it should look like, while I just kind of sit here watching as well and doing it. I'm excited to see your Penrose triangles. Also, let me know when you're finished with this drawing if you'd like to see Spider-Cruz make an appearance in any other video lessons. He's always ready and willing to teach, and is always looking forward to seeing what you create. I'm going to finish the Penrose triangle with some very light shading all across of it. And there you have it, a beautiful Penrose triangle. Thanks for watching.